How's it going? Adrian Diaz here. I'm here with my family and friends. We're here to have a great time. Las Vegas, Nevada, LS Fest. We're here just to take this guy out for a ride. First time it's seen asphalt in 45 years. It's come a long ways, and I'm just super excited to be here, and we're gonna have some fun, see what this thing does down the track. I live in the IE, out in Chino, San Bernardino County area, and I found this car in Monrovia, California, off this really nice old gentleman, 25, 27 years he had it sitting. It was actually buried down into the ground, and I've been asking him for 5 years to let me buy the car. 5 years, he said, no, not gonna happen. It was for his son. Unfortunately, his son got ill. He couldn't give the car to his son like he wanted to. I told him I will make him proud and do something with the car. And I'm hoping that he's out there somewhere and he could see this, so to remind him of the car that one day was gonna be his son's. It took a short while, but I did get the car going. After 2 months worth of work, we put it together just to be here, LS Fest. It had a stock 283 engine. It was 3 on the tree, as original as it gets drivetrain wise. I wanted to keep the original look to it, and I wanted to have a good drivetrain. So LS, the best I say you can do it. So definitely LS2, 400 turbo, Ford 9-inch rear end, and I'm really curious to see what kind of numbers it can do on the track. On the 6.2 engine, I've got it running off a Holley Terminator system. When we got it at the tune shop, connected all the wiring, put everything together, all brand new engine. Within almost felt half of the crank, it sparked up like that. Amazing, my tuner was amazed. Everybody at the tune shop, dyno shop was amazed. I just want to let everyone know that we're all proud and happy to be here. And I just want to get out there, do some more passes and have fun with this car. And have fun with this Holley system I got.